इसके बाद मैं इंग्लिश में तकरीर पेश करने के लिए शमसुल्लाह साहब से गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ लाए। क्लास 5A के तालिब इल्म है कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ लाए। और
Teachers and honorable guests and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. The topic of my speech is education. Through my speech, I would let you know all about the value of education and its contribution in our lives. Education is the tool which helps us remove our all doubts and fear about all the challenges and happiness in our life. It is the tool keeps us happy and peaceful, as well as make us better human being. Our teachers are very good for us, who help us in getting good quality education. They try their best to make us for the future challenges. Our teacher come in our lives, remove the darkness, remove the fears, remove the doubts, and help us to find a beautiful career in this big world. Education is not about to gain only knowledge. However, it means learning the way to be happy, learning the way to live in society, learning the way to face the challenges, learning the way to help others, and learning the way to behave to others. Good education is only way to remove bad habits, poverty, inequality, gender discrimination, and so many social issues. Thanks.